Hey developers, tired of clicking 100 times to create Salesforce users?
What if I told you you could onboard dozens of users with just one Python command?
I just give ChatGPT one simple prompt and it instantly gave me a working Python script that does all the work for me.
No more clicking around the UI. Just drop your user data in a CSV and let the script handle the rest.
From reading the file to connecting with Salesforce's REST API, it's all done for you.
Even better, it includes error handling and logs everything, so you stay in control.
This isn't just faster, it's smarter. And the best part, no coding from scratch.
Whether you're an admin, an integration dev, or someone just tired of repetitive work, this trick is for you.
Let's walk through it, from the prompt to the Python script, and finally, running it live.
If this helped you, give it a like, share with your team, and subscribe for more ChatGPT-powered workflows.